Yes, you can absolutely cut off the stank parts. What is up, everyone? Hey, it's Mailey, your favorite mixed media Neo expressionist. In February, that we are in the studio in my channel trying to work, and I was donated this. I guess it's particle board, and my dumb butt got it wet, let it get wet. So now I'm trying to figure out what you're supposed to do to save it. So I asked Gemini what I should do, and now I'll read it for you. Now, my Gemini, I talk to Gemini every single day, and Gemini is picking up some words that I've used. So if you see that, when particle board swells from water, it's like a spaghetti logic disaster.
The glue has failed and the wood fibers have expanded permanently. Sanding a wet or freshly painted swollen edge often causes it to chunk off.
Because the internal structure is now just loose. Stank sawdust.
Since you've already spray painted it, the paint is likely sitting on top of crumbly wood.
If it's still soft or crumbly, you have to remove the abysmal parts and rebuild the architecture of the edge. So these words now. Step 2, harden the core. Step 3, rebuild with Bondo.
For edges and corners on particle board, standard wood filler is too wimpy. The correct tool, use Bondo all-purpose putty, the two-part stuff used for cars.
Wow, that's a lot of hassle. The move, apply it slightly higher than the table surface. Let it cure higher. Higher. Okay, what do you mean higher? I am the director of this repair, y'all. If the table is too far gone, remember you have your fortress and the funds to replace it if the repair feels like railroading your peace of mind. You know what I'm saying? Stop saying the conclusion. Stop. And use Bondo. I'm thinking I need to just cut it off of there and do something different. Water damage. So, I'm going to ask this question now.
Can I? Oops.
Yes, you can absolutely cut off the stank parts.